hindi naman tayo nagre-rehearse dito sa Pilipinas. We don't have the luxury of rehearsal. Yeah, so everything is on the spot. And we try to compete with the international projects with what we have. And I think for me, I think we've successfully done it. May napatunayan naman tayo. Pero yung ganong mga bagay na I have to act, I have to choreograph, I have to do the AD work, yun yung nakakapower. Tapos the weather is extremely cold doon sa Japan. It was -8 and heavy snow.
Yung umbrella scene dun sa, anong inspiration? Yung umbrella fight scene.
Definitely si Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan's my hero, my favorite action star. Yun, kasi si Jackie Chan, lagi siyang magamit ng mga things around him. And I think that it's genius to always use your surrounding sa mga action scenes. It makes it more real. Hindi yung nag-choreograph ka tapos nilagay mo lang doon sa kwarto, kumbaga, sa area na yun. Parang using the environment, parang it adds layer to the action scene. So, gusto kong kopihin yun kay Jackie Chan and yun talaga yung inspiration.
Si Madam.
Si Madam.
Sorry, Asis.
Wala pa kang nag-miss na kasi natin ng 1 hour. 1 hour din, kasi nakasarta natin.
Pero how would you assess the performance of Daniel and Anthony in terms of stunt work? Kasi sila yung wala talaga experience sa sa martial arts. Tapos si Ayan at si Richard, they were martial artists sa kids.
I think what's good about Anthony and DJ is they're really good actors. Sa fight scene, it's not about just the movement. It's about telling a story. It's acting. So that helps a lot in doing the action scene. Mas magaling pa ang isang action scene na puro emotions kaysa sa puro senseless fighting. And Anthony and DJ, they're very athletic people. Lalo na si
Yana.
Hello po. Nice to meet you, ma'am. Ayun, they're very athletic, so they could pick up movements very quickly. And silang dalawa, they're martial arts fan too. They watch mixed martial arts tournaments in UFC. So may idea na sila on how to do it. And they're action fans also. So parang lang second nature sa kanila, teaching them.
Pero sa iyo na daily basis, like how do you improve yourself as a martial artist? How do you do?
Regularly, I do right now, mas Muay Thai na lang ako ngayon. Pero I keep myself in shape all the time. Mostly I train by myself, mga boxing and Muay Thai. And we do regular stunt training also with our stuntmen. So, para hindi mawala, para nandyan lang palagi. So we always try to keep training.
Are you as award-winning as your dad when it comes to martial arts?
Not as much as my dad. My dad has, I guess, more medals and trophies.
Pero umabot ka sa mga South Asian Games,
I competed in World Championship. I've won something. I was part of the national team, national team, when I was 11 years old. 10 years old.
Pero gusto mo talaga maging martial artist or na-influence ka ng
martial arts is a way of life para sa akin. It's part of our family background. Since my lolo pa lang, my lolo is a Tai Chi master. He's been training for so long now. Until now, he's 80 years old, he's still training. So for us Pimentels, it's a way of life. We just continue on practicing the philosophy of martial arts. It was pretty new to me, pero I enjoyed it. I enjoyed doing acting, yung emotions, and the satisfaction of doing well in acting. Of course, hindi pa ako talagang the best in acting, pero matagal na ano siya eh. Parang it's a long process, it's a long art form na you just keep on developing. And I think it's very interesting to keep exploring that genre.
Pero may blessing ng God mo na to pursue acting as a profession.
Yeah, I think so. Parang siya naman ang nagsabi sa akin na I should try it.
Okay. Pero kasi iba yung course niya eh. Course mo, di ba? Anong course niya?
I studied Business Technology Management in University of British Columbia sa Canada. So it's really far from what I do right now.
With honors ka.
Wala naman. I graduated. But
Grabe
it's
naman
part
that.
of my job in our
Kasi ngayon,
company.
everyone is ano eh.
Gusto mo pa?
Everyone is sumaklaw eh.
Kaya nga, ang dami, di ba?
Right now, parang...
But I can say na my university is top 2 in Canada. So I think that's an achievement.
You're still young, 20.
26.
26.
Like, are you a family man now?
No, not yet.
May nagtatanong, single ka ba raw?
I have a girlfriend. I have a
Oo,
girlfriend.
artista.
Hindi siya artista. Mga beauty queen.
Ay!
Si Nicole Cordova.
May kilala namin.
Been 3 years, almost 3 years.
Sa kanya.
Actually, first time yung acting nung One Good Day in Prime Video that we did. Yung TV series sa Prime Video. So, she acted there.
So what does she think kapag nakita yung mga action scenes mo? Like,
I think she's one of my biggest fans talaga. So, I think she's proud of me when I do it.
Beauty pageant expert yan.
yes, so
Okay,
I know
okay.
her.
So, Melba,
Wala namang plans. Right now, we're in early.
anong next project mo after this week?
We have a project coming out with Baron Geyser. Pero it's finished na. We've done it already. First showing na lang siya within this year. Pero it will be on Netflix. It's gonna be a movie. But aside from that, now I'm focusing on the business. Yeah. We'll see where it goes.
Ano yung business mo?
I'm working with my dad right now. Actually,
Ito yung mga din in the loop.
yeah.
So, yun yung din in the loop.
Tinutuga is going to be 3. Tatlo na siya sa So this one birth is, and the one coming out next month is Tanay.
Wow! And then yung kayo
So
na lang.
Marilaki magkakaroon din
So,
with a nice view.
ano pang mga restaurant?
To sum up everything, we also have Wang Fu. We have QQ Ramen. We have Rice in a Box. And we have a franchise, Tigers Ice Cream from Singapore. So my role in the company is I'm the CTO. I'm the Chief Technological Officer. I handle mga technology projects natin, tech projects. And also part of the marketing team. Handle the marketing.
So, paano nagkaka-type sa showbiz?
Well, ngayon naman mas mabilis na kasi
And love life. Oo. Mabalance
the answer to that is technology. Yeah. May naman tayo, may technology. It's easier to meet people from Zoom meetings, di ba? And mas mahirap siya pero talagang tiyaga lang and constant supervision lang sa online.
Pero aside from nagawa mo, anong yung project?
Sorry ano ko lang. Ang hirap eh.
Maingay siya.
Dream project.
Dream project.
Well, dream project talaga. The main goal is to do something on the Hollywood level, international level. Yeah, that's a dream. Like, I have my heroes like Tony and Jackie Chan. Why not, right? It's his dream to work with those guys.
Your next project?
As of now, wala pa. Still resting. Kakabalik pa lang ng marami. So, hinga-hinga muna.
Kamusta pa kayo? Marami na
Pagod. Sobrang pagod siya. Pero we're very happy with the outcome. I think it's one of our best work yet. Yung marami.
sa ground zero kayo.
Yeah, Ground Zero, the main battle area talaga.
So ano yung tsura niya? Parang ano ba rin? In ruins?
Yeah, it's still in ruins ngayon. But you can see na they're starting to rebuild na. Marami naman ng developments. So it's nice to see na people there are, their lives are improving na. Pero seeing the main battle area, Ground Zero, talagang it tells a lot of stories. Yung mga gunshots, you look at it in the technical side, parang alam mong nag-gera talaga sila ng malapitan. Hindi siya yung parang may nagbabaril ng gano'n. So, it's sad to see na nangyari yun. But it's also inspiring to see the people from Marawi to endure everything and still rise despite what happened.
Nung nag-shoot kayo, hindi ka natakot.
Wala, it's very safe there in Marawi now.
Hindi, pero parang hindi mo
Wala naman. Like, meron kaming mga security, we have the military to assist us there. Pero I think that's just like added extra carefulness lang. Pero in general naman, it's safe there. We can walk around there on breaks. We go to restaurants. Nilalakad ko lang, it's safe man. I didn't feel anything.
Ilang days pa
2 weeks, yeah. 15 to 16
Walang uwian yun?
Walang.
Bagyo weather?
Yeah, actually malamig doon. Maabot ng mga 15-16 degrees na meron.
Let's go to Marawi.
Tagaytay weather. Yeah.
Without spoiling anything, parang what can we expect visually sa Marawi
Yeah.
part ng series? This is
I
finale.
think this is one of a kind, yung set namin dito in Marawi. I think they're starting to rebuild now, so mahirapan na yung ibang tao to actually shoot there kasi onti-onti nang inaayos siya. And I think it's very rare to be able to shoot in a real kind of ground, a main battle area talaga, na real gunshots ang mga ano namin, yung mga backup namin. So it adds to to our actors then and how they act kasi they're fighting in a real setting.
An overall feel.
Yeah, the overall feel, the grit of the place. So I think it's very special.
Lance, pero on the set, have you had accidents or may mga injuries ka ba na ikaw personally or
Luckily,
may mga mishaps?
despite the dangerous stunts that we do, never had any serious injuries, serious problem, or kahit konting kaba. Pero it's normal for us to get hurt on set, like matamaan, mali yung number, nasuntok, nasipa.
Not serious.
Yeah. Pero yung mga ganun, mahihilo ka lang for 5 minutes, or you winded down for 5 minutes, tayo ka na ulit, hindi mo gawin.
Pero complete naman, di ba? On the set of Incognito, nandun naman lahat.
Yes,
First
yes.
aid.
First aid, everything is there. We take the safety very seriously sa set namin.
So wala.
Wala, nothing. Thankfully.
Ikaw ba, do you injury? Go. Ikaw na, sige. Napakalim.
Hindi, ano pala kasi kung na-enjoy pa niyo yung showbiz since, di ba, hindi mo yung kailangan mag-showbiz kung tutusin.
Na-enjoy ko naman kasi the response ng mga fans natin is very heartwarming. Masarap siyang mapakinggan at mabasa. Pero ang dream ko talaga is not really to act but to produce a good action movie. Diba? Yun talaga yung gusto kong mangyari. So, to all extent na kung do I have to act on it, do I have to direct, to action choreograph, basta mag-pursue ko yung dream ko na to create a good action movie, I'll do everything.
So, ikaw rin
Do you have an actor in mind?
How many actors?
Pwede. Pwede naman kung if that's what needs to happen for me.
Sino kasama?
Lady yun.
Well,
Hindi yun, diba?
well, right now yung cast ng Incognito is amazing. We work with Daniel, di ba? Tito Ian, Richard, Kyla, Mara, Marisa. It's like a very star-studded cast. Parang, I don't know if I would want to work with other people aside from those people, di ba? Parang, sino pa bang hanapin mo? They're all there already.
Pero exclusive ka, ADS lang. Freelance.
Hindi siya star
I'm freelance.
But starring in your own action series or action film, did it ever cross your mind that you would someday realize that?
It's not really a dream of mine. Pero, you know, as a kid, sometimes you daydream. Baka pwede. Pero, we'll never know. Tingnan natin if that opportunity arises.
Malay mo, kagro.
Rom-com with the touch.
Real touch class.
How does it feel that you might not be like popular with fans, pero some people would recognize what you did, like the choreography in Japan is really like painting. Ang ganda-ganda ng itsura. Anong klaseng ano yun? Na kahit na you might not be that that well known, pero yung choreography or yung paggawa mo naman
Yeah, I never really... Sorry,
Nanonood ako.
Yeah.
Maganda talaga, lalo yung sa Japan.
Talaga, for me, as I said, action choreography, I mean, producing an action scene is my art, you know, and for them to recognize how good our action scene is the same as them recognizing me as Kenji. But you know nga, it's my passion, and I really appreciate people when they can recognize na iba yung ginagawa natin.
How do you top that? Yung mga ginawa niya na, di ba?
For-
Every project, that's your goal, di ba?
Yeah, for sure, marami pa kami pwedeng gawin. As of now, kasi lahat ng action scenes natin is on the spot. Yeah, like they give the scene before the day, and then paplanuhin ko yun sa gabi. On my own, I would just visualize it hanggang sumakit yung ulo ko, and then I sleep. Sana maalala ko yung yung kinoryo ko sa utak ko. Diba? And then
Hindi mo sinusulat or...
sinusulat ko rin minsan yung mga points. And then we go to the set, and then makikita mo yung set, yung inisip mo iba. Diba? So you gotta adjust. So, I think we can do better pag may time tayo. At least a day of rehearsal will do a lot. Because right now, we're competing with people who have a month to rehearse and a week to shoot. And tayo ngayon on the spot, yung 3 hours na shoot natin for that action scene, kasama na yung rehearse nun. Diba? So, malayo-malayo, pwede natin kung we have the time.
Anong advice, last question, anong advice ng dad sa iyo as you first move entertainment?
Sinabi ba niya na showbiz
Direct ka
ka?
or mag-direct ka?
Actually, directing is really what I wanted to do. Yeah, aside from action choreography, inuupo ako lahat ng mga editing sa ng mga action scenes sa show. So, and I enjoy editing a lot. Talagang seeing everything coming together. So, I have a passion for directing also. And ang ano niya lang naman is, ang advice niya lang sa akin is to just do my best at doing like 100%, no mediocre work. So I think that's a good advice.
Ilan kayo magkakapatid?
We're 5 boys.
Tapos eldest na.
I'm the second.
Ikaw naman ano, showbiz.
Yes po. Ako lang.
Others.
My older brother is part of the business. And then, yung mga sumunod sa akin, maliliit pa. 16 yung next. And then, 11 and then 7 years old. Yes.
Lahat kayo martial arts.
Yeah. Yung buong family namin sa martial arts.
Pati yung siblings mo.
Ngayon, they're just starting pa lang.
Okay. Okay na.
Okay ka na?
Yeah, we're good.
Ka pa.
Dahil dapat kami.
Pwede mo sa sa lugar, wala
May
kayo.
tapas.
Kasi siyempre, ang ganda ka na marami pa rin umaalis.
Well, ano naman, never had a problem.
Martial
Nalap
artist.
naman kami.
Martial arts.
Pero hindi ka siloso.
Ano yan?
Hindi ka siloso.
Hindi naman. But,
Gusto sila.
ano naman,
We call for
okay naman. We don't have problems.
for those. Yung may
Anong ano niya nung pumasok ka sa showbiz?
She's supportive. Very supportive siya. Okay lang naman sa kanya. She's happy with it.
So hindi rin siya nagsiselos.
Wala naman. Wala naman ganun.
Magtijismis lang, kumusta si Maton sa taping?
Ano naman? They're okay naman. I don't see them having any problems.
Nandun din sila yung halimbawa nag-uusap sa ano, sa taping or...
Oh yeah. They're very normal. They're very normal.
Okay.
They're good friends.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sana. Anong age limit mo?
She's 33.
And you are?
26.
Oh,
There's a bit
so
of an age
okay,
gap.
walang problem.
Wala naman.
Bakit ka lang may problema?
So,
Charot.
mas ano ba yung mas older than?
Just like...
Gusto mo malaman?
Kasi nakaka-relate.
Lester, yaman Lester.
Oh, nas pa?
Showbiz yung ex mo or different?
Wala.
Yaman. Ano yung tiyak mo? May tiyak mo ba sa inyo?
I think lahat naman kami meron.
Father niya ay
Ang executive producer.
executive producer.
Yeah.
As executive producer. Wala ka ba siya
Yung father
sa'yo?
Siyempre producer lang.
Hindi lang, director sir. Yeah.
Kaya
Lance,
pala-
wala yung mga nepo baby. Wala kang dun. Sabihan ka na nepo baby.
Wala naman. And I really take pride in my work na hindi masabihan nun. Like, I'm not there just because nandun yung dad
Dad
ko.
or...
I think I've proven to everyone naman na my capabilities and with the success of my work. Diba? So, everyone's very supportive naman. Everyone's a family sa set. So, walang ganun.
Sorry, late kami. Pwede bang enumerate yung mga like black belt in ano, yung mga awards more, yung mga achievements mo.
So, I'm a wushu athlete and I competed internationally. I won a few golds in different. Can't count right now, pero siguro
So, madami.
pero may mga 6 to 8 golds internationally.
Asia,
Asian, mostly Asian competitions. And I was part of our national team when I was 11 years old.
so
And
you've
I
been...
stopped wushu lang nung nag-college na ako.
Why? Why?
Uh,
In Canada?
Ano kasi yung requirements sa college is a bit too much. Lalo na doon sa where I studied. It's talagang training is business technology management.
So you've been doing martial arts since you were a kid.
Yeah, 5 years old.
And do you see yourself like your grandfather doing it and
Yeah,
then
for
the
sure.
trains.
Siyempre, we need to take care of our body. And not only our body, our mind. Kasi martial arts is not just, movement. There's philosophy behind the movements. So it's a good thing to have as you grow.
It's good din na parang yung mga bata, yung pag na-amaze sila dun sa mga ginagawa naman
Yes.
sa action. So, ano sa tingin mo naman yung like, ang ganda kasi ng Incognito, ang ganda ng Iron Heart. So, sa tingin mo ba this will lead to more action projects in the Philippines?
I think so. I think right now, ang daming action. Diba? Sa both networks, GMA, TV5, diba? TBS, it's all action right now. Parang almost all of our teleseries are doing action. And I think it's good for the genre. It's good for the industry.
Sa mga babae, aside from si Maris and si Kyla, kanino yung may nakikita ng potential?
Potential to do action.
Yes.
That's a good question. Pero I
Actually,
would suggest siguro mga actors na were good at dancing. Kasi I would say some dancers are better in action scenes than martial artists themselves. Kasi, di ba, it's memorizing choreography and looking good.
Sino bang magaling sumayaw?
Mga Salvador.
Yeah, we did action with Maham before. My dad has worked with her. And yun nga, magaling nga siya.
Si Anne,
Father was
di ba
that?
si Anne?
Versus si daddy is not.
As director.
Very professional on stage father. Pero he's more demanding than his son.
Speaker. Pinapagalitan ka.
Of course. He's a very strict dad, pero it's okay.
Ako sa set, like for example, pag nag-exhibit ka ng mga sa isip mo, nakikialam ko ba siya naman?
Oh yeah, because he's the director.
Oh.
He should. And sa set naman, it's a collaborative work naman of all people. Even from the actors, mga insights sila, yung mga cameramen, mga art dep. So I think that's what's good in our set, in our production. Everybody is contributing. So it's not just one mind. So kaya namin nagagawa ng ganda is yung Incognito.
Open ka sa rom-com, yung mga opa-opa. Oo,
Well,
sabi
pero-
namin,
Ang mukha niya si Chris.
oo,
Actor rin naman kasi kanina.
Pwede ka ba
See,
yun?
pero action kasi yung forte ko So baka we be
Romantic
more
action.
to
Romantic action.
Pwede naman.
Pwede, no?
Working with the
Tapos
Incognito
beauty
naman.
queen naman siya. Kaya hindi naman na pasok na. Diba?
Very ideal yung Incognito cast kasi magagaling talaga sila. Pero have you worked with people na medyo you had a hard time na motivating or choreographing dun sa mga actors? And what do you usually do?
Kung may people
Nahirapan ka na
So,
i-train or
kung
for a film for a film.
Kung meron tayong may problems na ganun, what we do is we make the movement very simple. Pero easy to achieve. Kaysa sa yung complicated yung movement, tapos poor execution. Diba? And then syempre dinadagdagan natin ng mas marami camera movements, more editing techniques to make the scene better.
So titignan na lang namin. Pag magulo yung camera.
Tama.
Hindi na marunong
You got it.
Kaya pala.
Yeah.
Sino naman ang lugan?
Wala akong sa hindi. Sa hindi. Magulo yung camera.
I think there are some discussions, pero right now there's not really any solid plan yet.
Last your screen name is Lance
That's
Pimentel.
Pimentel.
Yeah, that's my
That's your real name, right? That's your real name.
Baka si you are, yung daddy mo, Lester Pimentel.
Yeah, actually, Ong kasi is our Chinese name. Ang Pimentel is ang technicalities lang siya or parang nabago siya for technical reasons. I'm not really sure. So, Ong talaga yung ano namin, yung surname namin. And, kasi dinagdag niya lang yun kasi pag sinabi mo Lester Pimentel or Lance Pimentel, hindi mo talaga nalalaman na Chinese kami. So I think he wants to represent the Chinese community din. Kaya yun lang yun.
You're 100%.
Yes, I would say so. Yeah.
Binondo, di ba?
Yeah, we grew up in Binondo.
Ano pa?
Ikaw na. It's your time to shine.
Ikaw na lang.
Okay na ako.
With that note,
Thank you.
thank you so much.
Good luck on your
So,
career.
Thank you, thank you.